How to perform joins when there is no common column. Okay, how to perform joins when there is no common column. In this video we will see when there is no common column, common column is it, how to perform joins. Okay, so look at this data Excel file. Here player name and age column names, and player salary to another data frame, sports person salary. So here there is no common column name here in both Excel files. There is no common column. Although there is no common column, we can perform join here if there is common data. Okay, so suppose if even though there is no common column, we can join the data frames if there are columns with common data. Common data means, suppose if you look into this data frame, means Excel file, players age, here player name is consists of names of the players. Another data frame, sports person, here also consists of the name of the players. Means there are similar data, both data frames contain similar data, similar common column. Okay, even though there is no common column, we can join the data frames if there are columns with common data. Okay, so we'll see with an example. We'll practice that one, how performing in a different joins, inner join, left join, right join, outer join. Okay, all these joins with no common column we'll perform now with example. First we have to convert this Excel file into data frames. Okay, here we are converting that two Excel files into a data frame, df1 and df2. Just execute now. Here one column name, player name and age, and another data frame, sports person salary. Okay, so both don't have common columns, but common column data is there. Okay, the player name and sports person have similar names are there. Okay, kinds of names only, so we can perform on that. First we will perform inner join. Okay, how we perform inner join? Using merge function. Okay, merge function on pandas, there is a merge function, is it, merge, and pass the data frame, which data frame we want to perform inner join, df1 df2, and now we have to write here left underscore on. You see, left underscore on means this left side data frame, player name, we are okay, left underscore on, left side data frame, column name here. Okay, with similar, which column has similar data, we have to write that one, left and left column name here. So player name, which data, right, and right side, right underscore on. Okay, right side data frame, another data frame. Here sports person. Okay, sports person has similar column data. Okay, consists of names only. Okay, sports person, and similar, and which join we are performing now, inner join. By default merge function takes inner join. Here we will write it however we will write here. Okay, how is equal to inner means inner join. Okay, inner join. So see the result. Just how is called inner, and just execute. Okay, if you want to write in console, just print x here. Okay, print x, right, just execute now. Sports person. Okay, sports person here, just execute now. Observe here. Okay, this is one data frame, player name and age, another data frame, sportsman salary. Okay, this is a common column data is there. Okay, there is no common column name, but the common data is there because player name consists of names here, sportsman person consists of names. Okay, another data frame. So observe here, inner join, common column name. So each time we read column only the common rows here. Okay, in both data frames there are only common rows here. Inner join returns only the common rows between the two data frames. Okay, right. See, observe here, sports person salary in lakhs. Okay, so next we have to perform left join. Same thing. With no column, perform left join means just in how attribute you have to write left here. Okay, now just execute it again. Left join means left side rows. Okay, returns only left side rows. See, observe your player name and age in one data frame, and another data frame, sports person salary. Player name, age, it returns all rows of the left side, means left side data frame. Okay, all names, and only the common names, common rows between the left and right data frames here. Okay, this Rohit Sharma Virat Kohli has common, and Hardik Pandya doesn't have salary, and Jasuna doesn't have age here. Okay, that's why it given not applicant number, right? And next thing, right here. Okay, if you want to perform right join, just give right here, means it returns right side rows. Okay, it returns the right hand side rows, means on right hand side rows. Okay, so player name and age, sports person salary, it returns all the rows of the sports person salary here. Observe, and only common in the left hand side rows here. Okay, so here rows will common rows. Okay, so like that. Outer means all rows, it returns all rows of the both the data frames. Outer join. Now execute it. See, all rows, it returns all rows. Okay, so whenever there is no value, it returns not a number, any number, but returns all rows of the both data frames here. Okay, so like that. Although you don't have common column name, if you have common column data, you can perform inner join, left join, right join, outer join. Okay, so that's it. And next video we will perform okay, we will concatenation of tables. Okay, in description link given for this explanation video. Okay, concatenation of tables.